Alright, guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to figure out how to back up your Wii games and load them from a USB device. So there's actually quite a lot of setup here. So we're going to be using USB Loader GX, but first we're going to start on the computer. You actually need you're going to need your game that you want to back up. In this case, for me, it's Kaizo Mario Galaxy 2, which is a mod of Super Mario Galaxy 2. I want to put that on my USB device. So have it in an ISO or WBFS format first, and then you're going to want to download Wii Backup Manager. I'll have all these links in the description. Download it, extract it, and then you're going to need to download USB Loader GX. I will link this in the description as well. So basically, when you download this, you're going to extract I'll show you what it looks like in my SD card. So my SD card is here. Apps, USB Loader GX. Yes, you're going to extract the USB Loader GX. Here should be a meta icon to boot.dol. So extract that to there. Then you're going to want to go to the D2X V11C iOS. This allows you to actually load games correctly. So download this. You're going to get an apps folder again and place the D2X CIOS installer into your apps folder. Again, should be this. Right, so then what we're going to do is you need of course your hard drive, USB device, wherever you're going to store your games on, and you need to format it as FAT32. If it's a really large drive, especially with Windows, it's probably not going to have the option in native Windows to format it FAT32. Just in case it doesn't, you can use this tool, FAT32 Format 1.01. Use that to format your device. This is what it looks like, right? So you select your drive, give it a label if you want, quick format, start, very simple. Alright, so now we're going to actually put our game onto the USB device. So what you do is we're going to open up the Wii Backup Manager. We're going to go Win64. Make sure to also load the Wii Backup Manager as administrator. There's been problems if it doesn't load as administrator. Go ahead and in Files, click Add. We're going to let's try to add the folder. So this is going to be in Wii Games. Okay. So yeah, now it should load. We've got our game here. It's called this one, KB4E01. That is the Kaizo one that I want to load. So select that. Go to drive 1, and let's make sure. Where is my? So my drive is Wii, so it's a G drive. So we're going to select the G drive. It's going to read the drive. Okay. And now we have our Kaizo. Basically, check mark it and press transfer to drive 1. And then that's going to copy over. Okay, so it just about wrapped up here. It should wait till it says 100%, and it's going to make a Windows notification sound. That's how you know it's done. So we can actually close out of this now. And now we're going to go to the Wii. Now that we're over on the Wii, what we're going to do is you need to plug in your SD card in the front, and then your device, your hard drive, USB, whatever it is, plug it into the USB port on the back that is farthest away from the CD drive, so closest to the power button. If you're facing the front of the Wii, and it's standing up, it's going to be the one, you know, it's the one closest behind the power button. So open up Homebrew channel. That's a little loud. Let me turn that down. What you're going to want to do is first install that CIOS. So you're going to go here, official, yeah, so load this, the CIOS installer. And I've already done this, but I'm just going to show you a little bit here. So you press any button to continue, and what you're going to want to do is follow the page on the USB loader GX page, or I think it's the, yeah, they list the specific base and slot that you should install in order for your Wii, right? So just do that, and then go through the installation process, and then it'll kick you back to the Wii menu or Homebrew. So I'm going to exit out of this. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and go to USB loader. Also on the USB loader GX page, it does list a WAD file for installing the channel. If you saw on my Wii menu, I had the channel. In order to install that, you would just use Multimod Manager or something like that. You can just load that up, and you know, you can put it onto your SD card and just go to like WAD Manager. You've got all these different WADs on your SD. Put it inside of a folder called WAD on the root of your SD. And yeah, so then you would just, you know, install the USB loader GX forwarder. Yeah, so I'm gonna go back, and I want to exit, so I'm gonna press home. Yeah, so those two things will get you set up, and then now you can load up USB loader GX and let it do its thing. Okay, so now you should see the games that you installed. So we've got a nice scrolling menu here, and here's the game I just installed. It doesn't have an image.
Super Mario Galaxy! Woohoo!
Yeah, so it's Super Kaizo Galaxy. USB loader GX it's feature packed, right? So if you go to settings, we've got Ocarina, I don't know how to say it. Cheats that you can load. They've got game settings that you can put on there, right? So if we go to game load, you've got all these settings you can apply. I don't recommend messing with any of these if you don't understand exactly what they do. I'll be honest with you, I don't really know what most of these do. So I'm not going to mess with them, but yeah. So I'm going to hook up a nunchuck controller. And then we'll go ahead and press play on this. Alright, just to prove to you that this is working. So 2020. Alright, so and there we go. Super Kaizo Galaxy, whatever your game is, it's loaded. And yeah, so hopefully this helped.